Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Authenticator app. So I'm going to tap on here now to open my Authenticator app. After you open up your Authenticator app, next thing you want to do is to tap on this three slider right here. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to simply hit on settings. Then after you hit on settings, next thing you want to do here is to make sure you turn on this particular toggle button. And this is going to pump up right here. What you want to do right here is to enter your unlock pattern. Then hit on enter. And once it's turned on, so require unlock after app is invisible immediately. So next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and next thing we want to do is to go ahead and access from my Google Authenticator app. So by the time I tap on my Authenticator icon, then here we go. It's going to ask me for password. I will go ahead and enter the password, then hit on enter. Then it will load up my Google Authenticator app right here. That's simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Authenticator app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.